The second way God can provide is he can send another fish. What that means is that God can send another miraculous means of travel. See, God can do it in miraculous ways. Do you know what happened to Philip? You know, there are some miracles that some of you will never see in your life, and it's not because of God cannot do it, but it's because of there's no need for him to do it. Let me explain. The reason why it was necessary for Philip to teleport was because of it was necessary for the gospel to enter into Ethiopia. So God needed Philip to go and teach the Ethiopian eunuch the gospel so that the gospel can enter Ethiopia. Do you see how God works? Miracles, provision is tied to his will. Are you with me? So if you sit down and think with God and say, God, what is your will for this next generation? What can I be a part of? You will be surprised how God will begin to position you in areas of influence for his will. Resources will begin to come for that will to be done.